Okay, so we've talked about some of the interpretive pitfalls, and you're aware of them now. Keep those points in mind. But interpreting motivational clues is indeed a slippery slope, and here's why. We've discussed the difficulty people have in identifying and determining their own motives, as well as a few types of bias, but there are more caution signs ahead. If you're taking this course, in all likelihood, there's a reason, right? You know there's a reason. You're a student of one type or another. Remember I asked you earlier to write down on a little piece of paper why you decided to take the course? Well, here's the thing now. I hope you wrote that down, or at least remember what your answers were. When I ask that kind of question to a live audience, I get a lot of different responses. Oh, I took the course because I wanted to increase my knowledge and motivation. Or, I took the course because my friend said, let's go out tonight. Or I took the course because I'm really interested in helping others. You know, I want to make them more motivated. That's why I'm here. Well, all three of those answers are fine, but they don't reflect the root cause of your motives for taking the course. Those are just the shallow surface level reasons. Minimally, we can generally conclude there could be at least three different types of behavior for different reasons. Same behavior, different reasons. That's a conundrum, because the same behavior can represent many different motives, which means if we're trying to predict motivation from just behavior, we're probably going to be wrong. And in this case, we're wrong 2/3 of the time. That's not good. However, if we start asking questions and we look at clues that are more meaningful than what the person says, you can solve the case. We'll return to those motivational clues in the next lesson, but right now, let's look a little deeper as to why you took the course and the causes. That's what we're trying to get. Another reality is that people have both private and public personalities. You know you act differently when you're out in public. That's because of social desirability. We portray ourselves and behave in a way that we think people want us to behave when they're watching us. Conforming public behavior is often exhibited when people have deeply rooted cultural beliefs, such as those that are very religious or affiliate with a certain group or a political identity, that tends to dominate their behavior. And although expected behaviors vary according to many factors such as culture and development, you might say, well, how can we reasonably determine if the person is putting on their public or their private face? Well, it does take a little work, and we're going to dig deeper into those reasons for our behavior and find the causes. But that starts with understanding our motivational beliefs. Beliefs are so important. We talk about this in detail in the second half of the course, but the best remedy for the aspiring MD is to solve that puzzle is to try and determine which beliefs drive the behavior and what those beliefs mean. The point here is that we don't want to over-rely on behaviors because we'll probably be misled. Getting to the root cause of behavior is the way to go, and we're going to show you how to do that.